Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Dragonfly Park bringing you another YouTube video. Today I'm going to go over tensioning the Hanmey EFHC-175 flail mower belts. Well, you should check the belts every couple of weeks. You'll find the belts behind this cover. 18mm spanner will undo the bolt for you. Now the belts, when you see them, they should have about a 1 centimeter deflection. These are far too loose. Loose belts are prone to slipping, and slipping belts can wear out quickly, overheat, and can disintegrate during heavy work. Locate the flange holding nuts, and you loosen those off. They're 22mm. You may need a shifter or a spanner on the outside of the bolt there, just to stop it spinning. Locate the adjustment bolt. It's under the drive shaft on the unit, and raise that. As you raise that, the drive shaft will lift up and the belts will begin to tension. Don't forget to check the tension as you're doing this. Once you've finished raising that full tension bolt, just tighten up the lock nut at the base. And next we want to tighten those flange nuts again. Again, I've got a shifter on the outside and a socket on the inside. Replace the cover and you've done. Now there are times when you may have to replace all 3 drive belts with brand new ones. You generally follow the same steps, except you need to wind this lock nut and tensioning bolt right down, loosen off these 4 bolts that hold the gearbox in place. That'll allow the drive shaft and the top pulley to lower just enough to get the fresh belts on. This has been Andrew from Dragonfly Park. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, hit like and subscribe below, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.